Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty Crafty. Let's start to make a wonderful and unique Valentine card. For that we need a cardstock, white paper, this is red wool, double-sided tape, cello tape, I have written here sentiment happy together, and these are foam sheets, heart, glitter hearts, and a sesame. So let's start. First, this is cardstock folded, and this is white paper which is smaller than this card. We'll stick in this manner. See, and now we'll take a red wool, and here on the back we'll just stick with the cello tape. We'll just trim its this manner, and this is the front side. We'll just wrap around this paper. To secure its place, we'll put the cello tape. Give this much distance. Just secure again and again with cello tape so that the wool doesn't move. This we'll make a 6 lines. Just complete it. See, I have completed this. Now I'll cut it and secure this also. The back side. This is how it will look. Now we'll stick this on this red greeting in this way. We'll just apply glue. Stick this. Let it dry. Now we'll apply a double side tape on the back side of this heart. And even on the sentiment. Stick this hearts here in this manner. We'll just pin this to wool and we'll stick on it. See that it is in center in this way. Another heart will See how unique and wonderful it looks. Now comes the sentiments. I have written happy together. Stick here or here or here, any way you like. I'll go on the bottom. And you can write your message in. So here it is. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.